yummy.
Get this.
What happened to it?
Now I'm just gonna bend this in back. Yay, it's really good.
Oh, okay.
Totally nothing happened. This is a teaspoon, TSP, 5 milliliters. Now, let's get my salt. I have salt. So we need 3 1/4 teaspoons of salt. This is roughly enough. So I'm gonna set this aside again. But do I need it? Oh yeah, I need it for my baking powder. So baking powder you need 2 1/4. Give me a second. Okay, we need two teaspoons, 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, we're done. Now we should be done with this. Now we have to mix it up. So I'm gonna grab a mix. Voila! No mix.
There's no liquid in it.
Not now. We're adding liquid later. Now we're done with mixing the dry ingredients. So we have to get onto the wet ingredients. My first wet ingredient is butter. You have to cut out 170 grams of unsalted butter. If it's room temperature butter, it will be easier to cut. Yes, because it just went out of the fridge. I don't want to wait 1 hour, so let it become room temperature. Okay, you're done. Put the butter away. Quickly put it into the fridge. Yeah, it's the fridge. Okay, totally nothing happened. Got a block of butter. Now let's go over to the stove. I like to turn it to high so it melts faster. This is going to take a really long time, okay? It probably should take 3 minutes. Okay, we're bringing back this measuring cup like a bend. I hope it doesn't bend again. Now we need 1 2/3 of a cup of sugar.
Okay.
I'm not gonna add as much. Half a cup. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now pour it in. Don't do it too fast, otherwise. Is this supposed to be dough? I think I should add the eggs now. This is too crummy. This is why we need eggs. 3 eggs, yay! Like this. So I'm gonna leave the eggshells there. Egg 1. Egg 2. Now I'm gonna leave the other one for later and mix it up. We're making the batter for the cake. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some milk. I have no milk.
Okay. So this is half cup.
Okay, that's roughly half a cup. Pour it in. I have to mix it up now. Okay, now the cake batter's done. I'm gonna set my books aside. I don't where. I'm gonna put it in the sink. Now I'm gonna pour it in. Oh, looks like we ate too little. This is not enough.
Oh, that is okay because I think once you bake the cake, it will rise higher.
I don't know. This is not my first time baking a cake. Now, we're going to put it in the oven. I have to let the control unlocked. So we're just going to bake at 350. First, I have to open the oven. Oh, heat. I'm wearing gloves. The right cooker closed. Now set a 30-minute timer. Hi, this is test 20. Let's see, this pig is finally done. Okay, looks done. I found that it's a little liquidy, so I'm going to change where it is. It should be coming out.
Round 1 failed.
Nice.
Yeah, that's okay. Still edible, right?
Destroyed. This is going to be a hunk of mess. Next time we should buy parchment paper. whole disaster of a cake.
No, that's fine. First time try. It's still good to eat, right?
I think so. It's good. This tastes like a cake. It just doesn't look like a cake.